Are you trying to learn data science and feeling a little bit overwhelmed? You see all these roadmap and you hear all these complex topics and you just don't know where to start. Trust me, I get it because I was in the same exact boat as well. Hey everyone, my name is Julian and I am data science bootcamp student. I want to create this channel because I want to create a space for people who are interested in studying the data science with me together, and also for the people who don't know where to start in data science world. We will be sharing our knowledges, learning together, and also doing the project together as well. Each week I'll be sharing my knowledges on data science of each topics. So if you are starting your own data science journey and you want to study partner together, join me. Or if you are curious about what the data science bootcamp inside is and you don't want to spend 10 grand, I got you. Then I would love for you to join me and hit that subscribe button. If you don't, it's fine. It's free anyway. So let's get onto it. Bye-bye.